Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. If you're interested to see how I made this mason jar bottom and top, stand by. Alright, so the items you'll need for this project include a top that fits some type of container. For this one, I'll be using this mason jar type. I purchased this from Target last summer. It came in a pack of 2 for $3. You'll need these little decorated fillers. They look like crushed ice right here, or salt, I should say. And then you'll need some other decorative fillers. They're acrylic. Couldn't get that out. And they look like this. So oddly shaped ice cubes. And if you want to, you can get the ones that actually look like ice cubes. You can make ice cubes with a regular epoxy or UV resin, because you know I love my UV resin, because that's what we'll be using today. You'll also need some fruit slices. I purchased these ones from Michael's. So I purchased everything from Michael's minus the UV resin. And these are the lime and the lemons. Now you can, I think I said that backwards, but you can purchase them on Amazon. All of these things on Amazon, including the UV resin. But if you need it like right away for order, you could just go to your local Michael's and you can purchase the fillers and the fruit. They do have different fruits on Amazon, you know, strawberries, cherries, and all that other good stuff. But Michael's only had these, and they had the long like grapes and stuff like that where you can probably like pop off and then put on a cup. But this is what I'm going to be using today. And then you'll need a UV lamp, or you can use the natural sunlight to cure your project. Oops, excuse me. All right, I think that is everything that you'll need. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this project is pretty easy. You can use hot glue, you can use E6000, you can use Gorilla Glue, Crazy Glue, epoxy, UV resin. You can use any type of holder that you want to adhere your cubes and lemons or lime slices with. But just make sure that when you're using it, you're filling in all the gaps, because if you're selling these, or if you're using the lid yourself and you end up washing it, you want to make sure that water doesn't get trapped in there. It can cause like mold or anything like that, because that's just nasty. So, but I'm using UV resin, and if you've watched my channel before, you know why I use UV resin, because it cures really quickly with the UV lamp or with the natural sun. You don't have to wait 24 hours or anything crazy like that to go ahead and let it dry and stuff like regular epoxy is. And there is no odor. You don't have to wear any respirator or anything like that. If you are sensitive to smells, it does have like a little smell, but not nearly as close to epoxy. You can use it in a well ventilated area just to make yourself feel safe and everything like that. But anyway, since that's out the way, all I'm going to do is pour some UV resin onto the top, and I'm pouring it in the middle. You do not want to get your straw hole covered, because then you won't be able to put your straw in. And this has like a little rubber thing, so it does stop it from anything from getting into the hole area, so that's cool. All right, so I'm actually gonna, and then you're just gonna lay your cubes wherever you want them to lay. Now I did cut my lemon and lime slices in half. You don't have to necessarily do that. You can put it in a hole, and I think I'm going to use the lemon for this one. You can use it as a whole piece and just plop it wherever you see fit for it to go, or you can cut it in half. I'm cutting it in half because I just like the way the half looks. this way. And basically you're just kind of, oops, fitting the pieces where they can go. Now, the beauty of UV resin as well is that, like I said, you don't have to wait for anything to cure or anything like that. So you can put the lamp over top of this right now if it's moving too much and cure it in place, and then continue to lay your pieces and stuff down. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the ice where I want it to go. Ooh, me and this lemon is not getting along right now. And then I'll be back. So I'm gonna just speed this up because all it is basically stacking your ice. Because the topper is bigger than or taller than my UV lamp, I'm going to put it like this, and I'm going to take a piece of aluminum foil, and then I'm just going to wrap it around the UV lamp, covering the topper. Now this helps make it less sticky and helps it cure a little bit faster. Now sometimes, like if I'm making a keychain, I will put the aluminum foil over top of the UV lamp and let it sit in there for about 5 minutes. And if it's still feels sticky, which usually it doesn't when I cover it with the aluminum foil, but if it does still feel sticky, I'll put it in the sun and then it'll be cured like that. So if you put it in the sun because you don't have a UV lamp, you want to cure it per your instructions, and this one says 5 to 20 minutes. You can leave it out there for about 30, however many minutes you want to, but as long as you do it at least 20 minutes so it can be fully cured. So I'm going to leave this under here for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes just to make sure it is really cured, because I will be using this as a topper on something that I'm going to be drinking and sipping from or whatever. So, and I want it not to have any cracks or crevices so the water can get in there and cause any mildew. So I'm definitely going to let this sit for about 10 minutes, and then I'll come back and then I'll show you the final project. All right, so this is the bottom part, and I just sprayed some alcohol on there because I'm just cleaning this side. What do I want? Yeah, because I wanted to go on this side. So I'm just cleaning this side right here, and I will be using some Inkjet Vinyl Glossy. Let me get it in the camera. Lord. Inkjet Vinyl Glossy by Zycody. I got it from Amazon. I will put it in the description box below with the link. It is water resistant permanent sticker sheets. So I will be using that on this mug. And all you do is peel the back like a sticker, because it is a sticker, and then you'll just plop it on there. And you would just use an inkjet printer for that, and follow the instructions on the back per your printer because it has different printer instructions. I did spray the top with clear spray just to give it an extra water resistant. All right, that's fine. And if you wanted to, you can actually cut around it, but I wanted the white background, so that's fine for me. All right, and then that is what it'll look like. Very cute. Cute, cute, cute. And if you wanted to, you can put some epoxy on top of the sticker just to give it a little more protection, especially if you're going to sell it or whatever. You don't want it to, I'm just trying to rub it down, get all the air bubbles out. You don't want it to lift with if they're washing it, or, you know, I would highly suggest you tell them, if you're selling the cup, not to submerge it in water, but to just, you know, wash it out. Same as with the tumblers. But if you want to put some epoxy on the front, just the front, I wouldn't cover the whole glass. I would just cover where the sticker is, and it will give it some extra protection so it doesn't get damaged or anything if they wash it. And especially with the lids, you want to tell them to not submerge the lids in water, just to take maybe like a bottle brush or the brush that you use to clean the straws out with, to clean like the crevices inside of the where the ice is. So this is the final cup right here. And I was thinking about maybe doing some alcohol ink around it, but I don't know, y'all. I might see what I'm feeling like, and if I do end up doing it, then I'll show you a different video with that. But for this one, this is pretty much the end of this cup. So this is really cute. I really like this. Look at this. Y'all, this is adorable. So I ended up putting another little lemon slice on there, because who just puts one lemon in their lemonade? So this is cute, okay? Really, really cute. And you can sell it as a whole for what? I would sell it maybe for like $20. Or you can just sell the topper, and you can price your topper for whatever you want to price your topper for. And if people want the topper and a topper without all of this on there, you can sell that separate too. Maybe charge maybe $2 for the top without the pizzazz on there. So I mean, it's kind of up to you what you want to do with the mug. But anyway, y'all, this is this video on the ice topper. I hope you enjoyed it. And then I just put this little sticker right here to make it look really, really cute. And like I said, maybe I'll put some alcohol inks on there, make it look more cuter, whatever. That didn't make any sense, but y'all got me. So anyway, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, and also hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel. And if you have anyone that's in the crafting in the crafting world and wants to learn about this, that has not already seen it, go ahead and share this video. And also, if you are not in my Facebook group, Crafting Made Easy, go ahead and join that too. All right, I think that's all I got for y'all today. Until next time, peace.